Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all motions and gestures available on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. So let's get right into the settings, and then over here we need to go to home and lock screen, and then we want to go to lock screen, and over here we can find three hidden gestures which are in this section. So we have wake display, which allows you to enable and disable tapping the display and moving the phone in order to wake up the display. So both these actions actually wake up the display. We also have jump to lock screen. You can double tap the sleeping display in order to jump to the lock screen. And also we have put display to sleep, which is pretty similar to the previous one. However, this one turns off the screen and we need to double tap on the home screen or lock screen on an empty space. Alright, so now once we have those covered, we can go to gestures now. And here we have multiple different gestures that we can use, like swipe to split. Over here we can see how it works. We can also press try it out in order to see if we can do this, and we can learn it, how to use it. Then we also have 3-finger screenshot that allows you to simply touch the screen with 3 fingers in order to capture the screenshot. So if I'm gonna press and hold, then I should take the screenshot over here. There we go. Now over here we have some shortcuts as well. So if you're interested in some shortcuts, then we have double press power key, where we can choose to launch the camera, UX core, or nothing. We can also do something with the press and hold for the power button, so we can either enable the Google Assistant or turn on the power menu. And we also have media controls over here that allows you to go to the next or previous track when the screen is off. So instead of changing the volume, you can actually use the volume buttons to change to switch to the next or previous track when you are listening to music. Alright, now we also have kinetic gestures like quick launch, so we can double tap the back of the trigger to do something. So over here we can tap on this gear icon. Let me go back to show you. Over here in the bottom left corner we have this gear icon. We can go over here in order to choose what we want to launch, and over here we have the option to choose the tap strength. We can do a gentle, moderate, or hard tap. We can also try it out, and over here we can select what we want to launch. We can also open any app we want by going to open app, and then we can choose what we want to open. So we can open pretty much everything we want. Over here we also have quick capture that allows you to swing the device like so, like it is presented over here. And once you twist your wrist twice quickly, then you will open the camera. We also have fast flashlight that allows you to shake the device twice in order to turn on or off the flashlight. And you can also go to the settings in order to enable and disable the vibration. We also have lift to unlock, however this option works only if you use face recognition. We have pick up to silence, so you can turn off the ringtone during the incoming call in order to turn off the ringtone. So that's pretty much it about it. And we also have the last one, flip for do not disturb mode. So if you flip your device and face it down, then you will enable D&D mode, and that's pretty much it. You can also go to the settings here as well in order to try to do something about it, like we can manage the vibrations and the settings for D&D. So I assume this option is enabled. Yeah, so first you need to enable this option in order to have access to those settings. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.